Hey there YouTube, MS Firefighter 662 here, and we're getting ready to change out a rear tire on the KTM Duke 390. It's got just a touch under 4,700 miles on the factory tires. So here's what we're going to replace. This one is the factory Metzler. I've had good luck with these on a Buell I had at one time. Hey, this is just for me riding up and down the road. Not racing, not wheeling, not doing anything crazy. That's just normal wear and tear. Worth of 4,700 miles. I think we've pretty much gotten all we're going to get out of it. Not done any burnouts with it. That is just road wear. Here's the front tire. Looks pretty good still. Hope to get another tire change out of the back before I have to replace the front. And this is just a commuter, daily driver back and forth to work. And then what we're going to replace it with is this Michelin Road 5. I've heard good things about them. And looking online on the forums, they say to change the tire size up just a touch. Going to the 140, I forget what size that is. So down 140, 70 versus slightly different size. The 150, 60, 17s there. They say that they put these on there from the factory to change the look of it a little bit and trying to compete with a different class of bike, from what I understand. But I'm not racing this thing. Just going out, cruising up and down to the store, what I not, to work. So hoping to get some good miles out of this thing. It's supposed to be a pretty hard road tire. Like I said, daily driver, not corner, not racing. So we'll see how she works out. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. I'll give you a road update on these and see how many miles we get out of this thing and the wear and tear, what she looks like as time goes on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and as always, thanks.